Now I will continue by demonstrating the next option within this home menu, which is Reports Manager. When I click this Reports Manager, there are two options within it, which are General Reports and Sales and Reports Settings. I'll go ahead for these General Reports. Now these General Reports, it provides the interface for the managers to verify or to check the data that have been used by the the accountant's office to generate the general return report, the office general return report. I will show you what I'm talking about. Let me open the accounts office package and generate this report and show you how the managers can use this feature to verify the data or to check the data that have been used by these accounts to generate that report. Yes, the accounts package is loading and I will show you this report. This is because this report is only generated within accounts package. It is only generated within accounts office. I will log in as the accountant. And who is the accountant? She is Amy Cute with her password as 1144. Now her username is Amy Cute and the password is 1144. The report that I'll go to generate is this report right here. Now this, it needs a verification date, let's say today, and click the search. Yes, and currently there are no any data within here, but we will generate that report, which is this. Currently no anything for that. Okay, now when this report have been brought to the managers, because it needs the managers to sign it from the accounts office. Now when this report have been brought to the managers, they will use this interface to check or to verify the data that have been used within accounts office to generate that report. So they will come within respective let's say the data within here, overall paid via cash and the USD, they will come right here within respective column and respective row and click that cell within this interface right here to get that particular data that have been used to generate this figure within this report. I will show you guys more about this when we get in accounts office demonstration. For now, I will log out from the accounts package. Now I will go to the next option, which is sales and reports settings. This option, it manages the time for performing some crucial activities within the system. All these activities are being managed within this option. This option, it covers all areas concerning about what time this cell within respective department should start and at what time the cell should end, and all things covering the workers' shifts are being managed within this option. Let me show you this with the example. I will go to the reservation package and try to make a reservation room booking. But before that, let me see the current time that reservation activities have been allowed. I will click here to load the current settings like this, and as we can see, the current settings of reservation activities is from 07 o'clock in the morning the current day to 05:59 minutes 59 seconds the next day. I'll go and change this because the current time is 12:45, I mean quarter to 13. So I'll go and change this to 1400. I mean, our reservation activities have to start from, or reservation sales of particular days sales should start from 1400 to this time the next day. So I'll go and save the changes. It's 1436. Okay, now I'll go and start the reservation package as this. Yes, it is loading, and let's wait. Okay, now I'll log in as the reservation staff. Our users are right here. Reservation staff is Cute Pamela and her password is 1155. Okay, and the password is 1155. Now I'll try to make a reservation room booking. For who? Let me use these identity cards that we have already downloaded to make a reservation room booking, and I'll use this first identity card. It's for, I want the name to see the name. It's for Jane. Okay, Jane who, I'll figure out. Now I'll make a reservation room booking for Jane. Let's say Jane Modric, and she is a female from United States of America. Okay, you may be wondering why when I type this country's name, the full country name appears within this right table right here. This is because when you're typing within these three fields, the customer name field, the nationality field, and the city field, the system it automatically finds for the corresponding matches from the database. Now, where do these corresponding matches come from? These corresponding matches are those from already registered customers within our system. This means if you are making a reservation room booking for the person who have already been our customer, I mean we have already added them in the previous days, the reservation staff just need to type any part of their names and their details will appear right here. Let's say I'm trying to make a reservation room booking for someone who we have already added them within our system. Let's say I'm trying to make a reservation room booking for that Sophie Nestri. Let me type Sophie. As you can see here, when I type, all corresponding matches of SO, of this SO right here, they have come right here because this is for Jane Ferguson. There is SO right here, and this is for Sophie Nestri. There is SO right here. So I'll just come right here and click this respective blow of that customer, and I'll come within this interface and use the details. I will click this use details, and their data, I mean their information will be loaded up to this interface right here like this. So this, it saves time in terms of typing. I'll just come right here and provide the check-in and the checkout dates and go to assign the room. But now let me reset this and go back to our Jane Modric. Okay, I will make a reservation room booking for Jane Modric. She is a female from United States, and the city, let's say she is coming from North Carolina. Oh, but that's way too long name to type. Let me say she is coming from Louisiana. Okay, and the vehicle, she don't have that. The passport number is, it's right here, the passport number, but let's not bother too much. It's right here, and but that's her driving license. I've seen that. Yes, it's driving license, but let's use any number as the passport number, and the phone number is 0101001002. The email, let's say her email is jen@modric.com, and she is checking in from today and she will check out tomorrow. Okay, I'll go here and assign the room. Now these are our hotel rooms. Let's assign her this room right here. Let's say room 304, and I'll click here and the room will appear in this interface right here. So I'll select this room or any room. I'll increase, but let's stay with room 304. Okay, and that's the price. Okay, I've told you that this reservation package is the only package which use or accept the use of two currencies. So I may switch from this US dollar to Tanzanian shillings with this click, and you can see the price is this for room 304, which is right here. The Tanzanian price is 150,000 T shillings, and the price in USD is 70 USD per night. So I'll go and assign the room, and I may come right here for attaching her passport, or I mean that driving license, or her identity card. But let's continue now. She is paying for using, let's say, Visa. The amount is this in Tanzanian shillings, but I don't want to confuse you guys, so I'll switch back to the US dollar. It is 70 US dollar per night, and she is checking in for only 1 day, as you can see here, because it's from 10th of March, I mean today, to 11th of March, I mean tomorrow. So I will click here and go to the next step. Okay, it asks me to attach the identity photo or to ignore attaching the identity photo. Okay, let me attach it. Okay, I will come right here to attach Jane Modric's identity photo. Now the reservation staff have to scan particular customer's identity card or identity photo and save them into picture format, which are PNG or JPG format, and they will use this interface or window to browse to where they have saved those identity cards or identity photo. Our identity card for Jane Modric is right within the desktop in this file right here, in this folder right here, which is identity PNC, and it's within this. Right here it's the first. Now I'll use this interface to browse to that particular folder. Okay, I'll go to the desktop and it's within this, and here the customer, and it's the first identity card. So I'll go right here, yes. Now I'll go to the next step and the customer rating. Okay, I'll use the default, which is 3-star customer, local customer, and okay, I'll provide the password, which is 11 and it's 55 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it's good. Now the system says currently reservation transactions have been closed. Reservation transactions have been allowed from 1400 current date at 2:05:59 minutes 59 seconds next day. And there are recommendations right here to solve this issue. The first recommendation is to contact the management to change report settings, which is what we're gonna do right now. And the second recommendation is to try this transaction within allowed time. I mean, we have to wait for our current time, which is currently 13:03. We have to wait until it reaches 1400. But we will use this first recommendation. Okay, now I'll go back to the managerial package and I will save the setting to the time in which our current time will be supportive for reservation activities. Okay, now I'll go back to the reservation packages this, and I'll save back the time to 7 o'clock in the morning. I mean, these reservation activities should start from 07 o'clock in the morning to this time the next day. Okay, it's 1436, and I'll save the changes. Okay, now I'll need to switch off this package and to restart it again. I'm doing this because there are some settings or changes that when they have been made within the managerial package or the accounts package, in order for other packages to get those changes activated, they need to restart their packages. I don't mean to restart the all desktop or PC or machine, but just like that, I have switched off the package and I'm restarting it again like this. Okay, now yes, let's wait. Okay, I'm logging as Cute Pamela, who is our reservation staff, and the password is 11455. Okay, now I'll go straight and make a reservation room booking for that Jane Modric. She is a female from United States. Okay, the city is Louisiana. The vehicle, she don't have that. The passport, I'm guessing it's that, let's say. And the phone number is 0101 002 001. Also, I'm guessing that. The email, let's say her email is Jen47 at modric.com. Okay, let's say she is checking in from today and she will check out in 15th of this March. Now her room was 304 right here. Okay, and that's the price for all these days. Okay, and let's say she is paying advance amount and she's paying using Visa. Okay, I'll go right here and I'll attach her identity card, which is within our desktop in this file. Okay, and that's our identity card. This system asks for that advance amount. What is that advance amount? That advance amount, let's say she is paying $270 right now, and later on she will finish the remaining amount. Okay, I may press enter while I'm in this field to go to the next step, or I may click this button right here, but I prefer to press enter. Okay, and the rating, let's say she is 5-star. Okay, and the password is 1155. Now I'm trying to check if the current time is supportive for our reservation activities. So I'll go right here. Well done. The booking is successfully, and that's our sales number right here. Okay, we will continue as I don't want to print the card. Okay, and this is our new sale for Jen Modric. As you can see here, I may also search it using this search option, or Louisiana. It's right here. Okay, this is our new cell. Now I will switch off this package. As you can see, we have managed the time of performing reservation activities while we are in managerial package, and all these, the rest of these activities, they can be managed the same way. I mean, the time of performing all these activities, they can be managed using the same steps. Okay, I will go to the next option within this home menu, which is availability. But before that, I will go back to the sales reports. I want to show you guys how the new sale of James Modric appears in reservation reports. Okay, the date is 10th, and I'll go and load the data for our report. Done. Now I'll just go for this report. Okay, it's reservation return report, and our new cell is right here within room 304. This is the sales number, and here is our new customer. She is Jen Modric within room 304. The price is this, and she is checking in from 10th to 15th of March, and she paid advance amount of $270, and she didn't paid in cash. If she paid in cash, the amount would have been within this column right here, within USD cash column, but the amount is within this USD other payment methods, and she paid advance amount, and the debt is $80, and all the amount appears within our summary, our report summary right here. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you guys, and now let's go to the next option within our home menu, which is availability right here.